My name is Richard Haddad. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Jannah Hotels and Resorts. We operate and invest in hotels. I'm coming from the United Arab Emirates. This is my second time here. I believe there is a lot of opportunities in the tourism. That's why we are here, to look at opportunities for investment within the hotels and resorts in your country. This place is exceptional. It's my first time to come here, actually. My last visit I spent it in the capital. The nature is beautiful. The type of fruits and food we have is exceptional as well. And it's a nice cultural experience to get in touch with the local population, sit with them in the garden and share food. I arrived last night, but last visit I spent time in Dushanbe, and it was Nowruz, so I attended the special Nowruz festival.
What kind of tourism sphere or tourism field can attract tourists from different countries?
Nature and adventure.
My name is Rahmat Pramono. I'm currently the ambassador of Indonesia to Kazakhstan and also to Tajikistan. And I've been appointed as in my current position for 2 years. And I've been visiting this country for many times actually. And I'm quite impressed with the development of this country. I believe Tajikistan is very beautiful, very potential, and a lot of opportunity that we can develop in terms of cooperation between Indonesia and Tajikistan. I'm also believing that the growing potential of the country made developing tourism for this country is very important, because we have a lot of potential in terms of nature, in terms of history, in terms of the people. People is very, very kind and very generous. And I think this will attract a lot more tourists coming to this country. And I would like to congratulate the government and the people of Tajikistan for holding up this conference for the very first time, Conference on Tourism on Tajikistan. I think it's a kind of a good platform to introduce Tajikistan to the worldwide audience of tourism. And I think this is already a time for you to start to seriously developing this tourism in this country.
My name is Peter Janek, and I'm representing the World Tourism Organization. It's a specialized agency of the United Nations dedicated on tourism, and its headquarters is in Spain. It's my great pleasure to be here in Tajikistan to participate on behalf of my organization in the International Tourism Forum and exhibition, and I'm very much looking forward to meet with the representative of the government of Tajikistan and discuss the possibilities of future cooperation. Tajikistan has its unquestionable natural beauty, its cultural heritage, which is linked to the Great Silk Road, its natural beauty, taking into account that 93% of your territory it's surrounded by mountains. It's providing a fantastic opportunity for the creation and further development of ecotourism, nature-based tourism, and whatever you see here, the gastronomy of Tajikistan should be something which is a unique selling point for the country, and I'm pretty sure that the government will see this opportunity and will invest in the future to further develop this sector of the country. Tajikistan, so I cannot without any observation or without my personal experience, it's difficult. It's difficult. Of course, whatever you read, whatever you hear, and whatever you, as people of Tajikistan, would recommend, the places you are really proud of, the places you make you proud, that you think that the place you visit makes you Tajik, makes you, the people, feel that where you are, it's the beauty of Tajikistan. So I think the best is to speak with the locals, to get engaged with the community, to go to the roots, to the local roots, because these are they are the people who know their country better. It's not me who should tell. You should tell to the people where they should go and where they should visit.